Well, guys, as you can see, we finally went and got a little something here for the channel. Well, yeah, she needs a little TLC, but she'll get there. Let's see if we can get her running.
So we got to turn her on, guys. She did not sound very well. She wanted to just like basically throw herself into first gear without even doing anything or touching anything. So we immediately turned her off, started to disassemble, and we are going to rip this motor out. We're going to go ahead and check to see what's wrong with it. And so we're ripping it out and we're going to go ahead and open her up and see what happens from here, guys. So,
Strongly suspecting some bent shift forks.
yeah. I mean, hopefully nothing
Wow.
else is wrong with it. So, but you never know until you finally open these things.
Exactly. Pandora's box sometimes.
Exactly. Now, guys, we went ahead and took out the oils here, started breaking it down little by little. We started to notice that she needed some crank seals. She's gonna need a couple other things as far as internals, but it's not gonna be nothing crazy. Idler gear, crankshaft bearings, and then we're gonna go ahead and get new gaskets, new seals, new everything as far as cooling system, gaskets for the motor and everything there. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and see what else we can get for it. I might as well throw a cool head on there to keep it nice and cool. And hopefully we have a really nice Banshee to ride soon, guys. I got it at a decent price. I got it at 4,500. It wasn't a bad price. So, at the end of the day, if I do throw about a stack into it, maybe even two stacks into it, I mean, I feel like I'm still coming out good. So, I didn't get it at a bad price. So, I'm not really coming out bad here, guys. We're just going to go ahead and fix her up. We're going to make her look real nice. And at the end of the day, it is what it is. It's a lifelong dream to have one of these and finally got one. So, we're going to go ahead and fix her up. Stay tuned.
Jesus Christ, mate.
Well, guys, we're going to go ahead and wrap it up from here. Basically, we're going to need a new stator as well. I forgot to say that earlier. But we're going to wrap it up from here. I'm going to make a second video on the build. So don't forget, stay tuned, like, subscribe, turn them alerts on. And thanks for watching, y'all.